Before the product goes out of the door, every single product has to go through many steps of inspections. Some are testing out the capabilities of the machine, making sure it's functional. And there is another group of inspections that we need to make sure the product cosmetically is up to the quality. We make sure that the right labels are sticked onto the product in the right arrangement. All of those were done previously by people. Although it's very important, it's also very tedious and tiring for people to do. We used to hire inspectors who have to spend 20 seconds on the same product and looking at where the defects are. It is not an easy job. Because of that, it's also very difficult to hire people to come here and inspect those products. So it made the job much more difficult for our HR, especially during the peak seasons. So after we implemented the AI solution, of course, we were able to remove people from those repetitive and non-value add work. They were able to then concentrate on jobs that they like to do. And also, it improves our inspection qualities and saved time for our HR department. Now they don't have to look for as many inspectors that they used to have.
The psychological process of doing repetitive and boring tasks is called habituation, and that means that you just start to tune it out. When you see the same thing over and over and over and over, it's really, really hard to pay attention. It's not, as you say, something that humans were very good at. So when you introduced this, and you were saying earlier this was kind of an entryway into AI, was this because the leadership and your stakeholders could see the benefits of it? Is that why it was kind of the entry point?
Yes, we were actually implementing solutions using other technologies at the same time. For example, machine learning, for example, big language models. But in this area, it was more of the shorter wing for us comparing to other technologies because it was so direct impact to our business. So people can see the result immediately. So we were able to gain more attention from our executives, right? Even our customers. And so they trust us in continuing the pursuing of AI technology into other manufacturing or other core functional teams.